Find the division remainder of a number. How could I go about finding the division remainder of a number in Python? For example, if the number is 26 and divided number is 7, then the division remainder is 5. Since 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21 and 26 to 21 equals 5. For simple divisibility testing, see how do you check whether a number is divisible by another number.
You are looking for the modulo operator. For example, of course, maybe they wanted you to implement it yourself, which wouldn't be too difficult either.
The remainder of a division can be discovered using the operator %. In case you need both the quotient and the modulo, there's the built-in divmod function.
%26 7, you will get remainder. 26, 7, you will get divisor, can be float value. 26//7, you will get divisor, only integer value.
If you want to get quotient and remainder in one line of code, more general use case, use
If you want to say more, press the giga substring.